Hello everyone, look what I found in the mailbox. I seem to get the emails for this Your Creative Studio box after it's already there, which is interesting. It'll say it's shipped and, you know, that's when it's already here. But anyway, everyone likes a good surprise, right? So here it is. This is the card. Ooh, I see a rose theme here. That looks beautiful. I'm going to zoom in a little, and let's see if we can just slide everything out. Yes, that... Oh, maybe I zoomed in just a little too close. Let's start with the stamps, hey? Because they're right here. Things are falling out. Ooh, maybe it's tea party? I don't know. I think I see a teapot. I love this little envelope. That's a cute one. Okay, so it looks like I got 4 stamps, some teacups, and floral type, and then this looks like a tea set, complete with a vase, placemat, teacup, creamer, and in this, oh my goodness, yes indeed, I do believe this might be the White Rabbit in this teacup, which would go very well with an Alice in Wonderland theme. It's kind of a kiddish illustration, you know, he's got a chubbier face, but cute. Oh, and the hearts, that could go with Alice in Wonderland theme. Might just have to do another one of those journals. Let's see how these stamp out. Alright, here are the stamps stamped out, but I've saved one because I wanted to show you a little tip, I guess. And first, with these stamps, they usually come with this little plastic film, and it's hard to tell the difference because the coating's still on there like that. Now sometimes they're kind of stubborn in sticking to the block, so I wanted to show you what I've found some success in myself. Take the block or the stamp or both and just huff on it with some breath, hot breath, and then stick it, and it obviously doesn't always work. Let me try that again. And you've got a little bit of a cling there. And then I use the VersaFine Onyx Black ink because I find I get a really good stamp, even if I'm not stamp. Are you kidding me? So this one is actually being a very good demonstration of when it's problematic. Like sometimes they just don't stick super well. And I don't know why that is. I think it's their cling is just inferior in a way, and that's the only really part that is, because look at these beautiful stamps. Another trick some people use is a little bit of glue stick on there or tape runner, but I hate that if I can get away without that because I don't like that sticky residue. So let's get in here and focus. Okay, I've got a good focus there. We've got the 3 teacups. I love that little kind of image. And you see the top one with the hearts, kind of Alice in Wonderland-esque. Then we have the tea setting. Then this little fella, which is a cute little bunny. And look at that, if you can tell, in his left hand, I believe it's his left paw, is a little stopwatch. That to me says Alice in Wonderland, but it's not so close that you're infringing on copyright. And finally a teacup with some flowers there. Alright, how about we check out the washi tape. Not sure if the Alice in Wonderland hint there was intentional or not, but I'm gonna go with that because it can be hard to find that kind of stuff. So the washi here, nice. Let me see if I can get this to focus. It needs a little help. I think that's focused now. It needed a little bit of help. Real beautiful floral with some pinks and yellows and a kind of a lacy detail there. Stickers. Pop Life. I believe these are stickers. 15 posting paper, 10 pieces of material paper. What is posting paper? Does that mean sticker? Interesting. Okay, let's go on in. Oh, I see the paper here. That looks like regular paper there. And I'm guessing posting paper is another way to say sticker. Let's set these ones aside. Ooh, like that. It's a very thin paper. Looks like we've got 2 of each design. I like the wood grain, I like the floral, I like the colors, so this is a nice assortment. Set that right there, and bring my paper back, yes. Let's bring my little white paper back and try to... These are very cute. Very pink. Pink is not my favorite color, but, you know, it's a fun color. They have a very retro vibe, 50s-ish. What do you think? A cute cake. And let's just, ooh, donuts. Yeah, that makes me hungry. I don't even know what that is. What is that? Let's see. Yes, they indeed are stickers. Okay, anybody? What is that? Oh, sorry, my Band-Aid. It's so ugly. Have no idea. Alright, scooting those aside. Ooh, some beautiful square papers. I wonder if this is a pad. Yep, it's attached. Oh, looks like, yes, we have some vellum in here. Oh, wow, I like that color. Okay, I'm going to bring my white paper back again because vellum loves a white background. Look at that vivid color. I cannot tell. Like, on my screen, it does not look the same on my little tiny video screen, so it'll be interesting when I watch back this video if it looks the same or not. So lots of vellum. Oh, look at that one. And then paper. This is a nice green. I like the looks of those. And then we have teapots. So there is kind of a tea theme. These are the clear stickers. Whoops, took it right off. This will be great for a tea themed journal, or even just Victorian themed, because you can add a lot of... Oh, what is this? What is this? I don't know where this came from. Oh no, it came off... Sorry to be so shocking there. We're just going to put that there. It came off the other sticker sheet, but we'll get to that. Anyway, I have no idea if I finished a sentence or not, but for a Victorian theme or ladies' journal, it's great to add in little accents of tea. I love high tea and tea service, all that fanciness. Here is a paper ephemera pack. Oh, excuse me, these are envelopes. Look at that. These are cute. I like these. Okay, and you can easily make your own envelope. Oh, look at that. It has a contrasting color in the side, but you know what? Doesn't everyone like a little convenience sometimes? These are pre-made, and look at the fancy. That's not so easy. It's easy to make a simple envelope, not so easy. If you have a printable, you can print it out, but then you have to fussy cut it. So this is totally cool. I like that. Ooh. And I like the little fanciness of the different color on the inside. That's different. When it said paper ephemera, it is paper, but... More stickers here. I do believe these might be vellum stickers. And you can kind of see the variety there, but I'm gonna grab my little white paper and empty them out on it. As you may be familiar with my channel or my videos of this particular box, sometimes I'm more excited about the packaging than what's in there, but I do love this pattern. Not loving the black there, of course. That is kind of necessary in packaging, but this shape is pretty cool too, and I am gonna like using this in a journal, or even just, yeah. I'm kind of brain dead today, and you'll have to excuse me. I may not be as full of ideas as normal. Had a rather sleepless night with some gluten intolerance going on, and I tried to have a croissant from, part of a croissant from a French bakery that has a kind of wheat that is a European strain. And so I thought I'd experiment and see if I could tolerate it, because generally American wheat has a much higher gluten content. It did not go well though, so maybe because it's grown here and processed here, it didn't work. I don't know, but yeah, so that was not good. This is really pretty. What is it? I do not know. Poems and Roses. It says 20 up there. 20 is something. Look how pretty that is, though. I mean, by itself. And normally, I don't really love the shiny. It looks like it's just, that's just the packaging, folks. Well, look at that. Okay, here's the start to a nice little tiny journal. You know, you're not going to be able to put more than one signature in there unless you cut this apart and expand it. But, yeah, perfect pre-made cover for a journal. It's got the structure, and, you know, maybe you just want to, oh, yeah. I mean, I do love that butterfly right there. I might just, you know, glue that square, and I probably would trim it down because, yeah, why waste it? Or, well, if you kept it like this, you wouldn't have to. But I think this is going to be a journal. So these are vellum pieces here, it looks like, and looks like all of them are beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I like that a lot. It's sometimes hard to use vellum. I mean, let me know in the comments, what do you generally use vellum for? Anybody got any ideas for these pieces? These are just so pretty. I mean, because, like, they really showcase on the white paper. I kind of just want to, like, stick them on a white paper and look at them. Oh. But, you know, I'm sure there are other ideas. I think I've used some vellum paper in the window for like a specimen. That's a hard word to say today. Card. So that's a fun use for it. And if you have like a punch or a die that cuts out the window, that's even easier. Let's share ideas. We're getting closer to that wayward sticker. This package looks just like last month's. I do like this shape here of the top. And this has the little window. It's great to reuse. Have I reused mine yet? No. No. I know. You know I haven't. So I'm guessing these are stickers. Ooh. And you know I love butterflies. We'll leave that one in there because it wants to stay. Let's confirm my suspicion. Yes, indeed. This is so pretty. And these are washi. Oh my goodness, the color on that, is it not gorgeous? And I love these postage. Oh, wait. This one doesn't even have a lot of color, but look at it. It's beautiful in black and white. Oh, I love these. I gotta get moving on some creating, though. I am behind on my creating. It's been a busy summer. Everyone has a million appointments, and it's hard for me to keep track of them all. All I'm doing is going to appointments, but maybe I'll stash some of these in a bag, and while I'm sitting there waiting, I can just do stuff with it. Oh, look at, I really like the look of the black and white ones, too. These are just all, I'm almost speechless. I mean, that doesn't happen very often, but I don't have a whole lot of important anything to say because they're just so pretty. Now, they had this last month where it's a sticker sheet. It's got a lot of texture and it's thicker and it's pre-die cut into shapes, and it is very hard to tell. By itself, the picture is really beautiful. I am still undecided on whether I like this or not. So it really is beautiful. I don't know if their cutter is sharp enough to get through this. It's got a little bit of a rough edge there. And here you can see mine came off and was sticking to something else, so let's grab this. Let's just stop and put him down. But yeah, it's definitely getting a distressed look there already. So yeah, I'm kind of undecided. I think I said that already. Okay, we'll just move on from there. Not sure if I'm loving this trend that we've had 2 months in a row. But I like the idea. I feel like it's in its raw state. However, I've been getting this box for a while, and I have to say that it has improved. So maybe they will just continue refining that, and we'll see how it improves. Here's another little matchbox full of tiny stickers. And this is familiar, but they're all different usually. Let me see here. We need our white paper. And I have been using mine, especially like I use some to decorate the, ooh, I love the strawberries. I'm stopped by the strawberries, do like that. To decorate the front of my Your Creative Studio reference journal. I had a couple of the small stickers, and They're great for the smaller size journals to bring along and just add as a little accent. A lot of these have a good, like retro feel and the ladies journal kind of thing. This would work well with a vintage, Victorian journal because you could do the tea theme and the flowers and all that. Alright, we have our final item, which is the paper ephemera, which contains 6 sticker paper, 6 vellum paper, 6 art paper, and 6 pattern paper. Okay, let's take a look at the pattern. I'm going to zoom out a little so you can see the whole sheet. This looks like a tea party or a birthday party. I think this is the sticker paper one. It feels a little thicker. Like all the colors, very celebratory. This one, you can cut it off there, but I mean, it could stand alone on this size. If you had a journal, this could be a page right there, decorating it. Ooh, I love this. That's beautiful. Oftentimes, I will cut them, and use them, like, say, on a card, like this detail here. This could be decorating portion of a journal with the... Ooh, this would be good for, I'm thinking, when you have a pocket down at the bottom. This would be a nice little decoration there. Oh, those are some interesting, I think they're light bulbs, but not entirely sure. Little basket, teacups, and then it repeats. Alright, well, I am excited to hear your ideas in the comments because I feel like I was a little short on ideas today, but let's share our ideas with each other. What do you think of this month's box? Does it excite you? And what do you think you'll create with it first? Let me know in the comments and share with all of us to get our ideas going. Thanks again for watching, and as always, have a wonderful and creative day. Bye!